Hello, so Aldo fam, welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to easily make a table napkin. So this is going to be perfect to customize your table setting decor or even a handmade Christmas gifts. So if you want to see how, keep on watching. To make a 6 pieces table napkins, you will need 2 yards of fabrics. As you can see here, I already have a table napkin that I am going to use as my pattern, but really this is a 17 by 17 inch square of fabric. I added 1/2 inch seam allowances on all 4 sides. To finish the raw edges, I am simply going to double fold it. If you are having a hard time starting the edges, I would suggest to use a pilot fabric. It will prevent the sewing machine from eating the fabric. Then simply trim it off, and then you will repeat the same process and all of the edges. So this project is actually just a 5-minute craft that you can easily do. This is a perfect gift idea for this coming holiday season. Make it even cuter, I decided to tie a bow around it, and I'm going to add this unicorn ornament. You can customize this to match the style and personality of the person you are going to gift it to. So much for watching, and I hope you like this simple idea. Subscribe to my channel for more sewing tutorials. I will see you soon. Bye!